All right, so today we're installing the Luxero's tint on the RS3. You see how down here it has that safety light on both sides. Today we're gonna tint those black with this. All right, again, shout out to Luxero's. Go ahead and check them out. A link in the description is below, okay? First thing we're gonna do is, these are the materials that we need, right? Check this out. These are the materials that we need. So what happened is I already washed the car, so everything's clean and perfect, ready to go. Just in case I need to wipe anything off, microfiber, that water and soap right there. First things first, they said, is to water this. Right there. That way, whenever we peel this off, we can apply it on there while it's wet, so we can slide it around to where it fits perfectly, and then use a credit card to squeeze rest of the water or air bubbles out. So with the credit card, you can get the credit card in.
Asian squat.
And then so same thing on the other side, and we should be good to go. That's pretty much it. And you just, what is next? So squeegee, smooth it out, dry and cure at least 24 hours before exposing it to water or extreme temperature. Share the love, share it on Facebook, and then drying with curling it, yeah? Allow vent to dry, yeah? Make sure everything is good to go. So if you come back here and you look straight, you see how that side has the red, and then that side has the black. And it just looks better without the red little, you know, safety thing going on. Reflective light, that's what it is. So now we got both sides on, black and black.
Tell them why you're using that.
So the reason why I'm using the hair dryer is because this side pokes out a little bit more, and so I'm just heating it so that I can curve this edge and make it a line, because it's just kind of like popping out. Yeah, that is why. And it's just like I'm just kind of stretch it over the reflective light, or else it's just gonna pop out, and if you wash your car next time, it's not gonna work. This hair dryer is really ghetto. It's like about to break or something. Again, you can see it on this side where it's kind of like that flap. So I'm trying to, you know, heat it up so we can stretch it and overlay that. And now we are done. Let it sit. Don't use water, and it's not a bad deal at all, and it's easy to install. It's already pre-cut, so you just put it on there and you're good to go. So, all right. So, what I like about having this blacked out from Luxurious is because it just looks more aggressive. With the red reflective thing. Reflective lights whenever a car is shining. The whole reasons for that is because of the safety feature. So blacking this out, I mean, yeah, you don't have the safety feature, but it just makes the car look so much sexier. So it doesn't even matter at the end of the day for us car guys. Do it, you won't regret it. And even my girlfriend, she likes it too. It just makes it a little more aggressive. It matches with that black instead of there's a red in the middle of nowhere. And then obviously your tail light is your red one. So good to go. Comment what you think. Subscribe, like, share it if you want to do it. Share with your friends. Again, go order them.